Freight train. A train runs across this track. Red caboose at the back. Orange tank car next. Yellow hopper car. Green cattle car. Blue gondola car. Purple boxcar. A black tender and a black steam engine. Freight train. Can we count the number of cars? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What all colors do we have? There's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and black. Freight train moving. Look at all the blurred colors. It's moving so fast. Going through tunnels. Oh, look at the tunnel straight through the green rocks. Going by cities. Look at all the buildings in the background. A blurry freight train moving faster and faster. Crossing trestles. Moving in darkness. And moving in light. Going. Going. Gone. The end.